This is GADO News.
It's our normal routine, and particularly in investigation and enforcement, we do that on a regular basis. But also we work with our sister agencies like DSS and other stakeholders that have been writing to us that this thing is coming rampant in FCT metropolis. So that is why we had to do this work. And if you remember very well, sometimes last 4 months or so ago, we went to Area 1 Motor Park, popularly known as Gwagwalada Motor Park, which we were attacked by mobs. They broke our glasses and this. Now it's a kind of reinforcement. We reinforced and moved to the place to make sure that we did the needful, which we have done. Area 1 Motor Park, popularly known as Gwagwalada Motor Park. Then we went to Dunamis Market, yes. That market we raided it too. In that area 1, we arrested 3 suspects. And Dunamis, we didn't make any arrest because they have heard that we were in Area 1 Motor Park and they absconded. Then we now moved to DA Market. You know, DA has 2 locations. The major road divided the market in the motor park and the market into 2. So we raided both sides and we made an arrest of 8 suspects. Now we have total number of 11 suspects with us. Of course, most of the products are aphrodisiac, and some are hard drugs, analgesic, and some like this one I'm holding is called kurkura. Well, it's just an intoxicant, that's how I would say, concussion, a kind of. And we have some other controlled drugs like this injection called lidocaine. We have tramadol 225 milligram and the rest. So these are the things that we have been finding with them. This is the type of the tramadol you can see we found with them. And these are drug hawkers. They are not pharmaceutical outlets. They are not even patent medicine, drug hawkers. Some that have even tried a little, they built a small kiosk with zinc and now put the drugs inside because they are trying to migrate to that kind of hawking. The market value of the seized products we have on ground now is about 67 to 80 million naira because, you know, drugs are very expensive. And with these hard drugs too, they are very expensive. Like you can see, we will not stop the raiding. We will be raiding, we will continue to be raiding. And at the same time, those arrested will surely be prosecuted, like what the DG said. So we are going to prosecute them accordingly and also continue to do our normal raid. These are hawkers, and some products are registered. Even if they are registered, you are not supposed to hawk registered product. So forget about retailers. We don't have any issue with retailers. We don't have retailers. If you're talking about retailers, you're talking about patent medicine shops and pharmaceutical outlets, which we regulate very well. We don't have much issues with them. But these ones that hawk, these are the ones that the federal government law says is banned. You cannot do hawking of any kind of drug. Drug hawking is not authorized in this country. Not in Nafdac. Not in Nafdac. If anybody is having any trace of evidence of that, let him bring it forward. There's nothing like that in Nafdac. I can tell you this. So there's impact. And at least a strong message have been sent to the public that this kind of things should be stopped. And people that are patronizing them, we are always telling you not to patronize these people. Because if you're not patronizing them, they will not even be in the market. They will be tired of bringing it out, not to be selling it, and they will just leave it and get another business to do. It's going on all over, nationwide. But it's because, like I said, some stakeholders like DSS and other stakeholders have complained about the recent bombardment of these drug hawkers in FCT. That is why we decided to do this serious raid. And like I said, this is just the beginning. We'll continue to do it. After due diligence, We have a standard operating procedure in Nafdac, particularly in investigation and enforcement. Those that are found, the products that we seized, people are hawking, we destroy them instantly. But then for those that we identified their products with them, we have to do it to the end of it by taking them to court and prosecute them, so that it will serve as deterrent to others. Federal Task Force Nafdac Investigation and Enforcement consists of Nafdac staff, IPOs, that's police, investigation police officers, armed police, that's mp4. We also have lawyers with us. You understand? So this is what constitutes to be a federal task force in Nafdac. Recently, my colleagues here in FCT raided a place where they are suspecting they are manufacturing and repackaging cosmetics products. So we are on everything, any regulated product, be it drug, food, cosmetics, medical devices, packaged water, detergents, and whatever regulated products, we'll continue to be doing our work on them.
GADO News.